Okay, let's jump right in and explore the brand new Laravel Fast2SMS v2 package.
Sound familiar? If you've ever wrestled with a raw messaging API, this one's for you.
Yeah, this old way is just a mess of boilerplate. It's tedious and a recipe for bugs. So here's what we're covering. We'll see why the old way was tough and dive into V2.
Think of it as a clean layer over the API that makes everything feel native to Laravel.
And the big news for v2 is something many were asking for: full WhatsApp integration.
Sending a simple text is now this easy, just one single beautiful line of code.
And sending an image is just as easy, perfect for things like order invoices or updates.
Need to send a PDF or something? No problem. It's just as straightforward. And check this out. You can even send map locations, all with that same Fluent API.
Now V2 is way more than just WhatsApp. It's a serious upgrade to the developer experience. This is so much better. Instead of one generic exception, you can catch exactly what went wrong.
And look at the testing. Your feature tests are going to be so much cleaner and more readable.
Plus, it feels totally native to Laravel, with built-in channels for your notification classes.
And get this, it also has built-in features to help you control costs. Super important.
You can use these guards to prevent really common mistakes that just burn through your money.
Speaking of better DX, you get 16, yes, 16 brand new testing assertions.
So what do you need? Just a modern stack, PHP 8.3 and Laravel 11 or higher.
And you can get up and running in minutes. It's really just 3 simple commands. So, ready to make your life easier? Go check out the project on GitHub and get started.